Today we're tackling the ultimate weekday win-win, making a delicious dinner for tonight and knocking out my meal prep for the rest of the week. We're making these incredibly flavorful low-carb chicken fajita bowls. First up, we're tossing our chicken breast strips in a heavy blend of fajita seasoning and a generous squeeze of lime juice. While that marinates, we're going to slice up some yellow onion and a vibrant mix of red, yellow, and orange bell peppers. Let's get cooking. Get a large skillet nice and hot with a splash of olive oil. The golden rule here is cook your chicken in batches. If you overcrowd your pan, you're going to steam your chicken instead of getting a beautiful charred sear. Pull the chicken out just before it's fully cooked and set it aside. It's going to finish cooking later, so don't worry. With the chicken out, drop the onions and peppers right back into the same pan to soak up all those leftover juices. Sauté until they're soft and slightly caramelized. Once they're looking good, toss the chicken back in to let all those flavors marinate and finish cooking through. The smell right now is absolutely incredible. Once it's done, scoop everything out and set it aside. Instead of regular rice, we're going to keep it light with cauliflower rice. Toss it with some fresh lime juice, chopped cilantro, and the special Cilantro-Lime pepper salt. Now drop that mixture straight into the same skillet. We want to cook this until it gets beautifully tender and just a little bit crispy around the edges. Now for the best part, assembly. Add your zesty cauliflower along with your fajita chicken into your little sections. To round things out, I'm adding a little side of black beans, a drizzle of smoky chipotle mayo, and a dollop of sour cream, some fresh avocado, and a slice of lime. And just like that, dinner is served, and lunch for the week is officially locked in. The recipe is in the description. I hope you enjoy it.